Hello student, in the chapter of atomic structure, today we will discuss some important point. That is, the first point is average atomic weight of element. Dear student, for the finding average atomic weight of element, we put here W1 x1 plus W2 x2 plus W3 x3 by x1 plus x2 plus x3. Dear student, here W1, W2 and W3, W1, W2 and W3 is mass number of isotope. W1, W2 and W3 is mass number of isotopes, and X1, X2 and X3 is percentage of isotopes or possibility ratio of isotopes and probability ratio of isotopes, or also say ratio of occurrence in nature. Okay student, for example, here two isotopes of chlorine is given, that is the first is chlorine 35 and chlorine 37, and the probability of the chlorine 35 is 75% and 37 is 25%, and the ratio of 35 and 37 is 3:1. Then what is the average atomic weight of the chlorine? So now calculate average atomic weight of chlorine. First you write mass number and then multiply it with their percentage or possibility ratio or probability ratio. Dear student, in this question you observe the mass number of chlorine, the first isotopes of chlorine is 35, so write here 35, and the percentage ratio or the probability ratio is 3, so multiply 35 by 3, and next isotope is 37, so plus sign present here, plus 37 into ratio is 1, so write here 37 into 1, and 3 plus 1 is the ratio of isotope. After the calculation we obtain 35.5 is the average atomic weight of chlorine. Dear student, again, for the finding average atomic weight of chlorine, put the mass number and the ratio, percentage ratio, probability ratio or ratio of occurrence in nature of the isotopes in this formula, and we obtained average atomic weight. Dear student, now discuss about isoelectronic species. What is the isoelectronic species? Dear student, they are the atoms, molecules or ions which have the same number of electrons. Atom, molecules or ions which have same number of electrons is known as isoelectronic. For example, just put here chlorine ions and argon. You know that atomic number of chlorine is 17, but here one negative charge present on the chlorine, so it means chlorine gain one electron from another atom. So here 17 plus 1 electron in chlorine, that is 18 electron, and our atomic number of argon is 18, so here argon have 18 electrons. Dear student, here chlorine ions and argon ions both have the same number of electrons, so they known as isoelectronic species. Okay student. Dear student, here water and ammonia, H2O and NH3. Dear student, in water the total number of electron is 2 plus 8, 2 due to 2 hydrogen, 8 due to atomic number of oxygen is 8, so 2 plus 8, that is equal to 10 electrons. In ammonia, atomic number of ammonia 7, so 7 electron in ammonia, nitrogen, and 3 electron of hydrogen. 7 plus 3, that is equal to 10 electrons. In these molecules, in water and ammonia have the same number of electrons, so they known as isoelectronic. Okay. Now here BF3 and SO2. Dear student, boron have the atomic number 5, so they have 5 electrons. You know that the atomic number of fluorine is 9. Here the 3 atoms of fluorine, so 9 into 3, and after calculation we obtain 32 electrons in the BF3. Again here SO2, you know that atomic number of sulfur is 16, so number of electron in sulfur 16 electron, and you know that atomic number of oxygen is 8, but here 2 oxygen, so number of electron in oxygen 8 into 2. Okay, so after calculation we obtain 32 electron in SO2. Dear student, we observe here BF3 and SO2 both are contain 32 electron, so they are known as isoelectronic species. Okay student, dear student, now discuss about isobars. Dear student, the concept of isobars given by Ashton. Isobar are the atom of different element. Different element means different atomic number. Different element means different atomic number, which have same mass number. Which have same mass number, but different atomic number. Dear student, always remember that same element have same atomic number. Different element have different atomic number. So shortly we say that different atom which have same mass number is known as isobar. Okay. So here hydrogen and helium both are different elements and different atomic number 1 and 2, but they have same mass. So we say hydrogen and helium is isobar because hydrogen have 1 atomic number and helium have 2 atomic number. Atomic number 2. So number of proton in hydrogen 1 and number of proton in helium 2. Number of electron is equal to number of proton. So number of electron in hydrogen is equal to 1. Number of electron in helium equal to 2. Dear student, here we here written mass number. Here mass number of hydrogen 3 and mass number of helium also 3. They have different proton number. They have different proton number means atomic number, but have same mass number. So we say that hydrogen and helium have different atomic number, different proton number, but same mass number. So we say that hydrogen and helium is isobar to each other. Okay. Now discuss here potassium and calcium. Yes, student. Here atomic number of potassium is 19 and atomic number of calcium is 20. So you know that atomic number equal to proton number. Here proton number of potassium 19 and proton number in calcium 20. They have the different number of protons and different number of electrons because number of electron in neutral molecule is similar to the number of proton. So if 19 proton in potassium, proton in potassium, then electrons is also 19. 20 proton in calcium, so 20 electron in calcium. But both have the same mass number. Just student, we observe here they have different proton, different atomic number, but same mass number. So we say that potassium and calcium are isobars of each other. Okay. Now discuss isotons. Isotons also known as isoneutronic species. isotons, also known as isoneutronic species. Dear student, isoneutronic means they are the same, they are the atoms of different element. Different element means different atomic number, different proton number. They are the atoms of different element which have the same number of neutron. Same number of neutron means different atomic number, different proton number, or different atom have the same number of neutrons is known as isoneutronic species or isotons. Okay, students. Like here, in hydrogen and helium, both have different atomic number, different proton number, different electron number, but have the number of neutron are similar. So we say that hydrogen and helium are isotopes each other. Okay. Now discuss here potassium and calcium. Dear student, potassium have the 19 atomic number, 19 proton. Calcium have 20 atomic number and 20 protons. They have a different number of proton, different number of electron, but same number of neutrons. Same number of neutrons. So we say that potassium 39 and calcium 40 is known as isotons, isoneutronic to each other. Okay, student. Dear student, in next lecture we will discuss other important terms related to atomic structures. Please write down the content given on the whiteboard and solve the questions related to this topic given in NCERT book. Thank you very much.